Was Queen Elizabeth making a bold political statement aimed at President Trump with her jewelry? Last week, when Air Force One landed in the UK, the Queen accessorized with a small green flower brooch made of 14-karat yellow gold and diamonds. Turns out it was a gift from none other than Barack and Michelle Obama. A coincidence? Royal expert Victoria Arbiter.
Some people are interpreting the Queen wearing that brooch as an act of defiance against President Trump.
And when the Queen welcomed the President and First Lady Melania to Windsor Castle, she wore this diamond palm leaf brooch. Turns out it's the same brooch her mother wore on a very sad day, at the funeral of Elizabeth's father, King George, in 1952. There's more. On the last day of the President's visit, the Queen wore a sapphire Jubilee snowflake brooch, a gift from the Canadian people. That's now seen as a possible parting shot, considering how testy things have been lately between Trump and Canada. The symbolism of the Queen's jewelry might have gone unnoticed, if not for an eagle-eyed Twitter user who made the connection today on social media. We asked Buckingham Palace if the Queen's brooches were deliberately chosen as a message to the President. A spokesman said there would be no comment on personal jewelry. But our expert Victoria Arbiter says this could be much ado about nothing.
The Queen would never use fashion or a piece of jewelry to slight someone, particularly someone that she is hosting and that is visiting her house.
Today, the President had only high praise as he spoke about his time with the Queen.
We met with the Queen, who is absolutely a terrific person, where she reviewed her honor guard for the first time in 70 years, they tell me. That was very inspiring.